Right then, let's talk about something truly brilliant, something that starts with a sound. That gorgeous crackling crunch of perfectly toasted bread. Imagine that. Then, picture the cool, creamy, utterly luscious green of a ripe avocado smashed on top. It's a texture party, people. You get that lovely warm, toasty base, a bit rugged and rustic, and then this smooth, buttery avocado comes in to say hello. It's a marriage made in heaven, a proper symphony of simplicity you can whip up in minutes. This isn't just food, it's a feeling. But it's not just about the crunch and the creaminess, is it? Oh no, it's about the aroma that fills your kitchen. That beautiful, nutty smell as the bread turns golden brown, mingling with the fresh, green scent of the avocado. Then, a little spritz of zesty lemon or lime cuts through it all, waking everything up. It's bright, it's alive, it's beautiful. Okay, first things first, let's get our squad of ingredients assembled. This is the A-team, the dream team of deliciousness. No fuss, just beautiful, simple things coming together. We need 2 lovely, thick slices of your favorite bread. Rustic sourdough, nutty whole grain, an artisan loaf with character. Grab 1 perfectly ripe avocado, give it a gentle press. Not rock hard, not mushy, just right for smashing. Bright lemon, zesty lime, a little squeeze to make the avocado sing. Extra virgin olive oil, liquid gold, flaky sea salt, freshly ground black pepper. Optional extras, the little rock stars. Halved tomatoes, a tiny pinch of flakes, and crumbled feta. Game changers. Soft-boiled, poached, or fried. When you're organized, mise en place, everything comes together smoothly. Let's get this show on the road. First job, the bread. Pop slices into the toaster, or toast them in a hot, dry griddle pan. Look for even golden brown color all over. Crisp on the outside, still soft in the middle. Listen, you'll hear it getting crunchy. While it toasts, the star. The avocado. Quick wash. Run your knife to the stone, hold and twist. Pop. Remove the stone, tap with the heel, or scoop it out. Run the spoon under the skin and scoop. Now, the smash. Fork in, mash against the bowl. Don't make a puree. Leave chunky bits. Squeeze lemon, squeeze lime, drizzle a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, pinch of sea salt, a few grinds of black pepper, gently mix. Have a taste. Adjust salt or citrus if needed. Toast pops, ding, perfect timing. Bring it all together, spread avocado on toast. Right, the moment of truth. Let's build this beauty. Don't be shy, plonk it right in the middle. Spread all the way to the edges. A lovely, thick, rustic layer. The warmth gently releases incredible aromas. A little drizzle of olive oil and a tiny pinch of flaky sea salt. Scatter those cherry tomatoes like little red jewels. Crumble the salty feta, a delicate dusting of red pepper flakes. For the pièce de résistance, the egg gently on top. Then, gently pierce the yolk. Golden sunshine pours. And there you have it, a masterpiece.